application, automobile maintenance, home appliance installation, electric maintenance, etc. AC and DC current test. Rotate the dial to the corresponding position to start measuring. AC current 100 test. Press and hold the select button to switch to the DC gear. The DC current 100 test. AC power measurement. Rotate the dial to the corresponding position to start measurement. Active power measurement Q. Input voltage 300 V, current 100 A. Reactive power measurement K-var. Input voltage 300 V, current 100 A. Apparent power K-var. Press and hold select to switch the function. Select the apparent power K-var file for measurement. DC power measurement. Input voltage 300 V, DC current 100 A. Power factor measurement. Input power factor 0.5. AC and DC voltage or frequency. Test AC voltage 300 V. Press and hold the select key to select the DC gear, and test the DC voltage to 300 V.